Hi, I'm Attorney General Josh Stein. Helping those who are hungry is always important, but right now it's urgent. In North Carolina, nearly 1.5 million people are food insecure, and 1 in 4 children are. We have one of the highest rates of food insecurity in the entire country, and things have gotten harder. Food banks are seeing a surge in need due to the economic hardships people are experiencing right now. We all have a lot going on. We're planning for the holidays, coping with COVID-19 ourselves. But let's remember to do all that we can for our friends and neighbors who don't have enough to eat. Let's contribute to our local food banks and register for the Legal Feeding Frenzy in March. We in the legal community here in North Carolina can make a real impact fighting hunger in our state. Thank you.
Thank you, Josh. Mike Darrow here, Executive Director of Feeding the Carolinas. I'd like to thank the Attorney General's Office and the legal profession in the state of North Carolina for such a successful 2020 legal feeding frenzy. We started the frenzy right when the pandemic broke back in March, and the law firms and other legal folks across the state stepped up big time, just absolutely shattering fundraising records. And as we look forward to the 2021 legal feeding frenzy, I'm also looking at our current needs in 2020. So I'd ask that you support us in 2020 by making a gift to Feeding the Carolinas or one of our member food banks. You can go to feedingthecarolinas.org and give to Feeding the Carolinas, or click Find a Food Bank and give to the food bank that supports your county. You can also find volunteer opportunities at that Find a Food Bank page on our website, where you can click on volunteering and get information on that. We need volunteers as well. So whether you give or volunteer or participate in the legal feeding frenzy in 2021, I just want to thank you so much for your support, and we so look forward to the 2021 legal feeding frenzy in March, and hope that we'll be able to gather together to celebrate it later on at the end of the spring as we celebrate another successful legal feeding frenzy. So again, thank you so much for helping us to every day feed the Carolinas. Thank you.